Hello everybody, Sorbeaten here and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video we will be looking at some matrices questions, so let's head straight into this question. So this one says, a transformation T is defined by the matrix, and we have the transformation matrix here, 2, -1, 2, 0. Another transformation P is defined by the matrix P being equal to 0, 1, 1, -2. So they want us to find a single 2 by 2 matrix that represents the combined transformation of T followed by P. So this piece of statement here is very important. T followed by P, this is represented as PT. This is saying T followed by P. So this is represented as P multiplied by T. So the matrix P, so this is very important to note. Remember the multiplication of matrices, they are not commutative. So meaning P times T is not the same as T times P. So just be careful. Transformation T followed by P, this is represented as P multiplied by T. Whatever is here will come for us in the product. So the matrix P is 0, 1, 1, -2. And the matrix T is 2, -1, 2, 0. So we work this out, we do some multiplication. So it's row by column. So this here will be 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Then it will be 0 times -1 plus 1 times 0. And then we do the other row. So this is 1 times 2 plus -2 times 2. And it's 1 times -1 plus -2 times 0. And I work on the top here, we'll have 0 times 2 would be 0 plus 1 times 2 would be 2. 0 times -1 would be 0 plus 1 times 0 is 0. And then 1 times 2 would be 2 plus -2 times 2 would be a -4. And 1 times -1 would be a -1 plus -2 times 0 would be 0. Hence, this will be simplified to 0 plus 2, that would be 2. 0 plus 0 would be 0. 2 plus -4, this is like 2 minus 4 would be a -2. And -1 plus 0 would be a -1. Hence, the 2 by 2 matrix that represents the combined transformation of T followed by P is 2, 0, -2, -1. And therefore, the next question says, hence, find the image of the point 1, 4 under this combined transformation. So we have the matrix, which is 2, 0, -2, -1. So we'll have that matrix, which is 2, 0, -2, -1, multiplied by, we turn this into a column matrix, column vector. This would be 1, 4. And we do row by column. So this here would simply be 2 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 4. And then we'll have -2 multiplied by 1 plus -1 multiplied by 4. Hence, this will give us 2 times 1 is 2 plus 0 times 4 would be 0. -2 times 1 would be -2 plus -1 times 4 would be a -4. Hence, this will then be 2 plus 0 is 2. -2 plus -4, this is like -2 minus 4 would be a -6. Hence, the image would be therefore the image of the point, the image is, we have 2, -6. And with that, this has brought me to the end of this video. I trust that you have a solid understanding of how to work out these kind of matrix questions. Remember to pay keen attention to the order and keep practicing. That is how you'll remember how to work these kind of questions. Until then, I'll see you in the next video in which I'll be working some more past paper questions. So keep practicing. Take care.